front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to the printer. You need to start by opening Settings and clicking on this section here called Connected Devices. Now choose Connection Preferences, Printing, Default print service or any other service you have and wanna use. They all turn on the same way, so select yours and make sure this switcher is blue. Now wait, your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. If you're still having some issues though with connecting, enable print service and wait for 3 dots to appear at the top right corner. Select Add Printer. Click on this switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing. Hit Allow and tap on Find so your Motorola can search for your printer. Or if that doesn't work, choose Add Printer by IP address, import it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!